Starting around the 14th of June 2023, Bitgert truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.19% in most recent 60 minutes. In spite of mainstream thinking, Brise has an especially complete market cap of $94,724,865 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,039,899 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This truly makes Bitgert extremely positioning at 186 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is very critical. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitgert especially be worth in 2023 in a very significant manner? Is Bitgert in every way that really matters, wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Brise cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which sort of is genuinely critical? These by and large are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a huge manner. Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise cost basically is supposed to fundamentally cross a by and large normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to be $0, which certainly shows that assuming you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitgert sort of be genuinely worth in 2023? Or so they most certainly thought. In addition, Brise can explicitly arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0 value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Bitgert truly is supposed to generally be at around at least $0, or so they thought. Bitgert cost can arrive at a limit of $0 in every practical sense, normal cost of $0 USD in a by and large huge way. Bitgert value conjecture July 2023. The Bitgert cost for July 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a sort of least worth of $0. The very greatest determined cost certainly is around $0, exhibiting that these generally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in a very significant manner. The very normal cost for Brise in every way that really matters is anticipated to reach $0 July 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $0, showing how this in every way that really matters makes Bitgert exceptionally positioning at 186 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in August 2023 fundamentally is $0, a by and large normal cost of $0, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. The cost for Bitgert in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitgert could truly stretch around $0 a significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in October 2023 sort of is $0, a kind of typical cost of $0, kind of additional appearance how this generally makes Bitgert essentially positioning at 186 in the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. Bitgert cost generally is supposed to sort of reach between $0 November 2023 while the fundamentally normal cost of Brise for the November for the most part remains around $0 value estimate December 2023. The Bitgert cost for December 2023 may arrive at any rate worth of $0 in every practical sense. Greatest determined value sort of is around $0, which essentially is genuinely critical. The genuinely normal cost for Brise in every practical sense is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach $0 December 2023 in a genuinely significant way. Bitgert past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitgert's cost certainly has shown a decent increment of 2.08% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Bitgert generally is confronting a sort of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Brise is down to nearly 6.07% in the kind of most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly couple of days. The coin could really have areas of strength for certainly however. We don't generally feel that it would a beneficial resource and especially momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of BRISE explicitly diminished by 51.144%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth in a by and large enormous manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a great explicitly purchase an open door for in every way that really matters, fast venture, which by and large is very huge. Bitgert Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will really be Bitgert kind of worth in 2023, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking? The BRISE cost generally is determined to basically arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $0, especially least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Does Bitgert most certainly have a future, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Bitgert in every practical sense has a remarkable exceptionally potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels. So the BRISE cost generally is guanched to by and large arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge. It in a real sense is figure that BRISE will increment in esteem, showing how inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of BRISE essentially diminished by 51.144%. Killing an astounding kind of normal amount of $0 its kind of current worth, or so they generally thought, as per in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business examiners. Bitgert can really raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $0 2030. Genuinely further appearance how Bitgert value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the very greatest cost for Bitgert could generally stretch around $0, showing how this in a real sense makes Bitgert truly positioning at 186 in the cryptographic money market. Or so they sort of thought. Is Bitgert truly worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is genuinely huge? Bitgert's worth especially is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as lack will in generally empower cost rise. So the BRISE really is down to nearly 6.07% in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which truly is genuinely huge. Kindly note, there essentially is a gamble to any venture, so additionally BRISE can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0 value figure June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Bitgert in every practical sense is supposed to by and large be at around a kind of least of $0, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Just really put resources into what you can by and large achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the very most extreme examination in every practical sense conceivable in an especially significant way.